Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. So this, what you're doing? So this is the first video of our Mumbai series. We just finished our exam, last exam, Kannada it was. From next year I don't have Kannada. So peaceful it is.
He was crying in the morning. He was
didn't
literally
cry.
tearing up.
It was an allergic reaction
I've
that
never
I had.
seen Vikas with that.
It was an allergic reaction that I had.
Bullshit balls. Weak here.
So yeah, we just went to Krishna Leela Grand to have lunch and breakfast together. So that was fine. And yeah, they made me eat veg, which is not.
Who forced you? You just
No one
ate.
forced
You
me,
were
but
fucking sick
it
as
is
hell.
so not optimum for my gains. But,
Look it off.
but yeah, now we are headed back to the room where little bit packing is left, and from there we will go train. Oh, first time in a train. So excited to experience that. I have very good plans to kill her and push her off the train and stuff.
Yeah, same.
So we'll execute that as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah, see you at the train station. So we finally boarded our cab, headed towards railway station. No. Oh my god, train! So nice it looks.
It's just the engine because
It is going exactly like the Hot Wheels one I had. Oh my god, so nice it is. Yeah, so we reached railway station. This is my accomplice.
And mine too.
Yeah, and hers too. And this boy is looking for platform, which
Cool.
he's not finding.
then
But yeah, oh my god, train, one more.
Now get hit by it.
See, if we stand right here and turn that side and wait for it to hit us, it will be nice. I can push the train back. I can use my muscular force and energy to push the train back. It will be a good experience. But yeah, we are looking for our platform now. Platform 4 it seems. It leaves in 1 hour. So we still have 1 hour to waste.
Fit check.
Yeah, we'll do fit check.
Fit check.
Yeah, and then we will look at trains. Oh my god, so many trains are there. I've never seen one train also till today, and suddenly so many trains. Full overwhelming this is.
On zabrał wsiu našu pol Spasun, spasun, spasun Spasun, spasun, spasun
One more person is missing. That woman is coming late. She's coming directly from home. That is why she is late. She will be coming with her mom right now. And you know what? Train! Oh my god! It is moving and all. It is moving like mad. I've only seen Hot Wheels trains move. First time I'm seeing life-size trains. Very interesting it is.
Oh yeah.
It has X and all on the back.
Record that.
See. Oh my god. This is a mesmerizing spectacle of human technology. Hi. Oh my god, technology has come so far. It is very loud. I'm having to scream. But yeah, technology,
We'll
human
show them,
mind.
no? Take the phone, we'll go up. We'll go in elevator. We'll come down.
Yeah, that is the elevator. Apparently, Indian railway system is very crap, and they keep switching platform numbers. So that's why we have seated in such a place that where we can see number here and there. I will zoom in.
4 or 3.
Yeah, there. So very tactical decision this is. We can see both stations at the same time and see which one we have to get on at 3:45 exactly.
There is skeleton nearby.
Yeah,
So you can directly go up.
yeah. Tactics, game strategy, game plan, and the 4 P's of marketing.
Product.
Here, train is coming. Oh my god. Very interesting this is.
We are moments away from getting inside a train. Very interesting it is.
Lavanya came so loud.
Lavanya also came. Interesting. Train also came. I'm sitting in the train. This is. I will give seat tour. So basically,
Really logic
from
person.
here to there,
You're wearing
from there to
chappal.
there is our
These
seat.
2 shoes.
No, not like that. The whole bus happened.
Oh yeah, apparently this birth it seems. I was born here or something, but yeah, it's my
Birth, right?
But
yeah. And
B-E-R.
Puneet is sitting here. Say hi to my
Seatmate.
to my people.
hi.
Yeah.
I was waiting for that.
And these people are sitting here. Okay. So yeah, so basically this is our things. This one, these unhealthy people bought, obviously. This water and all is mine.
Opened this? Who opened this? Who drank the first sip?
All false
Came out of
allegations.
your mouth because I saw that.
So yeah, first time in a train. Hey, auntie is calling. There's a train. Oh my god, it looks like exactly like how they show it in movies. I am expecting a Jab We Met moment or a Sita Rama moment.
Go outside, I'll run behind you.
Hey Puneet, go outside.
This face looks like he'll cry or something in like the wild.
Oh my god, it's actually moving. I thought it won't move. It's Hot Wheels train, I thought.
How do you think it will travel then if it doesn't move?
I don't know. It's moving. So I want to see the wheels how it's turning.
It turns like that. There are wheels over there, you see? But when they turn, you can't see that they're turning.
Oh,
So it's like
technology.
it stays still. When you know what is that water thing called? When it flows and all. We go through tunnel and all.
But tomorrow morning, early morning.
I'm going through tunnels.
If it happens in night, right? The sound will be so good.
Night
And
it
obviously,
won't
you'll be asleep.
You know, I want to call someone and I want to cut call on purpose until I went through a tunnel.
Around 10:30, you'll go to tunnels and all.
So Puneet, how do you feel? First time on train. I mean, my first time.
Oh my god.
Oh, very great.
How do you feel?
Annoyed as fuck. I hope I didn't got you on like the first time. I hope it wasn't me. You're draining my energy. My head is
How do
aching.
you?
I don't know, bro. I feel I'm with a child. I feel like I'm going to do babysitting.
I don't care about that. I want a train. I want a train. It's moving and all. And the view, I just saw someone pee. Very funny it is.
No, this is bullshit. This is bullshit.
She won first. I won second. He won third. She lost.
Now you record. Only when I don't win, you record.
Like the word loser is written on her face. And yeah, she always used to lose. First time she won. She broke the curse.
What fell?
Yeah, so basically she lost. We won.
We come.
That's the statement of the day. Moment of the day it is. She lost one more game of photo. One more she lost. Again same order. She won first. I won second. He came
Better than this.
Yeah. She lost again. Look at her face. What is written there? Loser. Joker.
If he's recording, we're gonna get with good car, I'm gonna lose. Because
This is so weird. I'm currently sleeping on the topmost
compartment and the wall. This is the ceiling. Like you see this is the ceiling. Like, there is no space at all. Oh my god, how do people sleep here? But yeah, somehow managing to fit in. Yeah, these people are there down.
It's fine. It won't record. It is like, oh, can you? You're recording me.
Yeah, so they're still down there and I know that I'm sleeping on top here because there's no place there. These two people, they took away our seat saying that they have some surgery or something and they can't sit for a very long time, so they took that seat. Very sad, but what to do, have to adjust. So yeah, this is my thing. I'm sleeping here tonight. If I can't even wake up, see that ceiling. Oh my god, this is so mad. Never in my wildest dreams I would have dreamt of doing something like this. So mad this is. Yeah. So we are fully cramped up in the top compartment here. Wait, let me block light, huh? Yes. We are completely cramped up in this little small place. This is Puneet. Very interesting it is. I'll show you. Yeah. So basically this is AC. I am sitting right beside AC. My cash is falling. My cash is falling down. Yeah, so fully we have. Yeah, so this is top compartment. Our bottom compartments have been occupied. We gave away. We did good deeds. Don't listen to me. I talk crap. Yeah, we did good deeds. We are getting good karma. So yeah, basically we gave away our bottom compartments, and all of us are cramped up into the top compartments.
And it's so like.
Yeah, it is actually very nice. It's comfortable. It's my legs were cramping down there, but now it's very too much leg space is there. She stole my coins. She stole my coins. She stole Puneet's cap also. That is camera, it seems. Yeah, this is really nice, really comfortable, new experience. And first of all, this whole thing is a new experience. On top of that, new experience. Do you want to tell anything to my audience? You can tell.
Please subscribe to Vikas Lives.
So we
He
can
has
have
to, yes.
Food.
We can get, so he gets lots of subscribers, he gets money so he can feed us. So we are basically homeless people, look at us. So we just really want, Vikas is very hustling, very nice guy, makes very good content. So please subscribe to Vikas Vlogs. Huh?
You first. He'll tell.
Because you're on bulk officially for 1 week.
Yeah. Vikas will go back Bangalore fucking fat. Like fat every fucking where.
Plus he's going home, he won't work out.
Yeah.
So this month you'll find Vikas being totally irregular to his gym,
Vikas back to his
irregular
roots.
to his periods of doing gym.
Yeah.
Very, very not disciplined Vikas you'll find this month. Please stay tuned, watch how he's very indisciplined, and please subscribe to his vlogs. Do
Hey, see, I told them I will be on diet, but they're only not letting.
Yeah.
I told them I will be on diet. They're only not letting. What I'll do? This dude is like, no, you're coming to my house. Everything you have to eat and all. He's telling.
Whatever I serve, you should eat.
See?
How much I serve?
Like.
See, I thought I'll get measuring scale and all. I'll measure whatever I eat, but no, he doesn't want to.
I was talking.
Yeah, we've ordered dinner. Biryani we've ordered. We are waiting for dinner. When is it coming?
9:45.
What is the time now?
8:06.
Oh my god, that is more than an hour I should wait for dinner. This is usually the time I have dinner, and 9 o'clock is when I sleep. But no, dinner is only coming at 9:45. Our dinner has finally arrived. Biryani.
Yeah.
After waiting for 3 hours almost, it came at almost 10 o'clock. Yeah, so they are very hungry. They don't care about anything in life except food right now.
They doubted me.
To be honest, even I doubted him.
I swear. It was such a.
But yeah, it came. And finally, my
Such a
hunger is going away a little bit. And they're fighting like dogs. Like literally. Like, look at them. They're fighting for ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ. Who fights for ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ? ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಿತ್ತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಜನರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯೆ. We just finished dinner and now we've all like set our beds and stuff to go to sleep. It's almost Hey, what? Oh, it's almost day 2 and the time now is oh my god, 10:30, which is way past my bedtime. And meet my bed partner Lavanya. And Puneet is here.
We are distributing chocolates.
Again, unhealthy lifestyle they're doing. I'll eat 1 minute. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. And boom, just like that, it's morning. Yeah, you go that side. So yeah, it's day 2 of the train journey. I woke up at 5, now time is 8. These people woke up very late. And Puneet, though, he's still sleeping. Where is he? Yeah, he's there. He's still sleeping. Yeah, I'm damn hungry. I'm waiting for food. These people are waiting to get freshened up and all. But me, damn hungry. I need my food right now. And train is stopping at some station.
I can smell Bisibelabath.
Yeah, she can smell Bisibelabath. Same, even I can smell. Which is making me even more hungry. Oh yeah, we are in Boribel. And I don't know, the signboard went off. Yeah, the train is late by how much? 15 minutes. So we'll reach around 1 o'clock-ish. So that's like 8:30 to 9:30, 9:30 to 10:30, 10:30 to 11:30, 11:30 to 12:30, 12:30. Wow, 4.5 more hours of sitting in this train. That should be fun. Should be nice.
Show them tents.
Tents.
We'll go brush now.
Illegal
We'll get
habitation.
poha. We will eat poha. Or anything. Oh my god, I have to wash my face, oil my hair,
Yeah.
and kill him.
So that's how our morning is going on.
Because you're home.
So that's how our morning is going. We'll get breakfast and yeah, enjoy the sceneries. So our breakfast has just arrived. She took what is this, idli sambar, and all 3 of us took poha. How is it?
Let's try.
Even I am authentic South Indian only, but new state, new things you have to try.
Oh my god.
It's not new, I've tried it before, but you know, you have to try new things.
Come from.
My hand is small.
Yeah, good food distribution amongst the poor and needy. But yeah, this is good. We'll eat this and
Why are you calling poor and needy?
definitely not
Yourself?
Apparently we just crossed Pune, going towards Lonavala. Yeah, he told sceneries are good. I will record. I'm sitting right next to the window to record. I will do an aesthetic shot. Yeah, so we are in Shivaji Nagar. Oh, I saw board. Shivaji Nagar, Bangalore, we came back. Very funny this is. Yeah, so we are going to Lonavala. I mean, we are not going to Lonavala, we are passing through Lonavala. I will show you sceneries when it comes. All the best. Bye.
How could and I know it would be goodbye, my love. When did the close of forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole my soul?
To reach Kalyan in 30-40 minutes, and from there direct we will go to Punit's house. So this is the end of the train journey video. Subscribe to see the next videos.
Click the like button
Yeah.
and the bell button.
And share it with friends. Yeah. Subscribe to watch next videos.